Look at me. Regulator recovery, sweep method. First, breath in and out to relax and get ready. Remove the regulator from your mouth. Make sure the mouthpiece is facing the bottom. Never hold your breath. Make sure you are blowing some bubbles. Place the regulator behind your shoulder. Bend to your right. Sweep along your right side. Recover the regulator. Replace it back into your mouth. Push the purge button. Now you can inhale again. All is done.